Hey guys, hope you are doing fabulously well today. So today I'm very excited because I'm going to be talking to you about the gorgeous, hella gorgeous products from Dr. Pawpaw that I have been very, very kindly gifted. And a lot of you want to know what is inside the box. So I thought I would do a little unboxing, which I'm not really normally into, but since you asked, I'll do it. Dr. Pawpaw has been a brand that has been in my makeup bag for, I've been doing makeup for 11 years. The brand's been going for, I think, around 13 or more. I can't actually remember off the top of my head, but I think I've had this, for as long as I know, I've had their multi-purpose balm in my kit. If I can try and find it here, this is the one that I've had in my kit, which is the multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw in it. It was always for me used as a lip balm. You know, all my clients always suffer from dry lips, and whenever I put it on the lips, they'd always say, "Gosh, what is that going on?" And I'd be like, "It's pawpaw. It's Dr. Pawpaw, and it's an amazing lip balm." But it's not just that, it is a multi-purpose balm. And they are known for these amazing tubes of just wondrous deliciousness. And you don't have to just stick it on your lips, you can put it anywhere. So more recently, over the years, I've been using it on the high points of the cheekbones, and I'm going to do a little bit of a demo just to show you how I like to use it. And on the cuticles, on the knees and the elbows of models who suffer from really sort of like dry skin. And then of course there's a blusher to give yourself a really, really healthy glow without the powdery look. As you know, especially coming into sort of that springtime, you want that really, really fresh, glossy finish to the skin. We all want to look like we've had 15 hours sleep. And why not through a tube of deliciousness, right? But honestly, you can use it anywhere. You can use it on your hair, everywhere, anywhere on the body. And what I also love about it is that you can use it on babies as well. So, you know, if they've got a nappy rash, if they've got some dry skin, use it. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, it's not got any nasties in. The list can go on really. You can also for irritated skin, inset by some minor abrasions, also use it for that as well. So there's so many different ones it comes in. I'm gonna have to share the love with you. So what do we have here? I'm gonna show you the multi-purpose balm. So you've got the clear one, which literally is clear. There we go. So I like to use that every day as a lip balm. Sometimes whatever's on my hands, I'll press into the high points of the cheekbones just to add extra sort of glossiness. You've got the red one, which is a tinted red balm. So if you want to create a really lovely red tint to your lips, use the red one. So if I just show you on the back here, that creates a lovely, lovely red. So if you like your red on your lips, you'll use that. We have the tinted peach balm, and I've got my miniature one as well, which I love. I love that there's a miniature one, and it's got sort of like a slanted application, so you can go straight onto your lips, but I'll just show you here. So that's a really, really nice peachy tone. Gorgeous for the summer, by the way, and amazing on the cheeks. Like really, really lovely on the cheeks. So that's a really, really beautiful one, because these are the tinted ones. You go from clear to tinted. My absolute favourite, which is the hot pink, which if you follow my Instagram stories, you'll know that I adore. And it comes out, have a little look there. We're gonna focus. Whoop, there we go. this comes out like this. I mean, how amazing is that? It is beautiful, and I am obsessed with using this one on my, in fact, let's just put it on now. There we go. It's a new colour that I'm into, and I'll use it on my cheeks and my lips for that really fresh, just that fresh finish. I felt really rubbishy the other day, and I thought, do you know what? Do you know what I need? I need some hot pink on. And it's amazing how makeup changes your mood, because I put it on automatically. Was like, I feel really good about myself. I can now conquer the day. Hurrah! No, I'm being serious. This is not sarcastic. It massively changes. Like, I went out on the weekend and I was with the kids, and I woke up not wanting to put makeup on, and I was like, I'm gonna put makeup on because I feel rubbish. It's gonna make me feel good. Then I put the hot pink on, and then Poppy obviously wanted it all. Okay, so I'm babbling. Let's move on to the Rich Mocha. This is the Rich Mocha colour. I don't know the shade, so I'm going to test it out now. Oh, if I can get into it. There we go. So, there we go. You see that coming out? There we go. That's the Rich Mocha. So really, really lovely if you want those 90s brown hues. Really, really beautiful. What else is in here? I mean, so many beautiful goodies. And then we have, which I wasn't aware of actually, I didn't know that Dr. Pawpaw did this one, which I think is now going to be my favourite product ever, is the the Dr. Pawpaw Shimmer Balm. So exactly like the original formula, but has an added element of shimmer in. So let's pop this up so you can see it coming out. There we go. Oh, there we go. I love doing that. I don't know why. I'm going to pop that on top here. Wow. Can you see? Can you see that sparkle? Hello. That is amazing. So you can put that on your lips and mix it in. And the light, if you just put it in the center, you see that light picking it up. And then if I take a bit, mix it in a little bit. I mean, I've got highlighter on already, stupidly. But if you pop that in the high points of the cheekbones, can you see? Gonna come close. I mean, hello. Hello. That's what we want to see. And I've used the balms for a long time on red carpet. I've used the balm on a recent Vogue shoot I did. If you go onto my gram, you'll see. But it makes the skin go pop. You can also apply it if you want a little bit of sparkle on your eyes. That's nice in the summer. You don't really want much on there, but something little on the eyes. All right, so and what's nice about this one is you can mix it in with your normal moisturizer and create a really glossy look to your skin. So if you're doing red carpet, if you're doing bridal, if you're going to a party, it's a really, really good tip to mix it in with your moisturizer to put all over the body. Let's have a little look. Okay, shall we move on? We've done that one. Okay, so an overnight lip mask, which I haven't yet tested yet. I'm going to have a little read. Treating lips during the day or for a luxurious night mask. So I can't review this yet because I actually need to test this one out. Softening and smoothing lip mask for day or night. Again, fragrance free, vegan friendly. So that's one to test out. Then I mentioned before the miniatures. You can get the miniature tinted balm and miniature shimmer balm as well, which I think is great for keeping you know, on the go in your handbag. I love the fact as well that they support the Teenage Cancer Trust charity, I think that's a really, really great charity to support. So thumbs up on that one. Alrighty, let's move on. Here we go for the actual scrub, the lip scrub and lip balm duo. Scrub your lips with our natural lip scrub, remove the excess. Here we go, let's have a little look. Let's have a little look inside. And you know, lip scrubbing is really, really important, guys. It's important to ensure that your lips have a really, really smooth surface. So when you put your lipstick on, there's no loose skin, and it just is really smooth. You'll notice that the longevity of your lipstick will be a lot more. So anyway, so it comes in a tub like this. I'm babbling along. And you've got, on one side, you've got the lip scrub. And then on the other side, you've got the balm. So I love the fact that it's a 2-in-1. So when you go traveling, that is basically all you need. Definitely need to be throwing this into my kit as well. I mean, there's a lot I'm going to be throwing into my kit. Let's pop that all back here. A lot of love. That's again a miniature version of the original balm, and now I'm going to move on to, let's have a little look here. We've got some hair care hand creams. Okay, perfect. So these are the hand creams that they've sent. We all know that after lockdown and during lockdown, that our hands, from all of the washing and the alcohol sanitizing, you know, have really taken a beating, and the hand cream is very, very nourishing. You've got different ones. So you've got your soothing ones, soothing hand cream. You know, one of them's got the cocoa and coconut fragrance, one that's naturally fragranced with the pawpaw, and then the nourishing hand cream with orange and mango. Again, I haven't used these yet, so I'm gonna pick one here, orange and mango, okay? Oh, it smells amazing. Well, I don't know how it can smell amazing because I haven't taken the lid off. Okay. That smells amazing. Whoa, okay, I'm gonna let you know what I think of this texture. First of all, it smells heavenly. Oh my God, that's amazing. Do you know what that smells like? This scent reminds me of going into the penny sweet shops when I was like 10 and buying all the penny sweets, you know, and it just smells really sweet in there. Oh, it smells amazing. And it also reminds me of having a nice frozen daiquiri by the beach. Oh, amazing. Smells divine. So I can't wait to test those out. Oh, amazing. And then the last one, which I'm very excited to try out, is the 7-in-1 hair treatment. So it's a heat protection, reduces split ends, detangler, leave-in hair treatment, reduces frizz and smooth. I need that today. Blow dry styling aid and adds shine. So let me just pump it through. Okay, so I'm just going to spritz it through, okay? I'm going to spray it onto the hair because I just want to smell it. Again, smells amazing. I just want to smooth out my hair at the moment. But I'm actually going to implement using this before I always curl my hair a lot, although I haven't today. So I'm going to start using this in my hair care as well. I love how everything smells so divine. There's been a lot of thought that has gone into the whole range, and you know, I haven't got everything here. And I love the story behind Pawpaw. You know, the owners who developed the brand was based on their daughter who suffered from eczema, and they wanted to, you know, go away from all those steroids that you see used, and create a balm that's going to naturally heal the skin. Now, I can literally sympathise because I've suffered with eczema my whole life. I've been covered head to toe in blotches. I've been thrown steroid creams, and yes, they work, but they are really bad for the skin. So I love that they've created a story behind, you know, the multi-purpose balm, especially to help heal the skin. Thank you Dr. Pawpaw very much for kindly gifting me your range. And I've been a fan for a long time, and I'm excited for new products that you're going to be bringing out. And just love the formula, love the glow, love the colour, love the fun. If anyone's got any questions, please comment below, but keep this in your bag. Use it as a lovely balm where people turn around to you and say, wow, what is on your skin? Honestly, it's this glossy glow. Whoopsie. I'm just obsessed with this hand cream smell. Anyway, guys, I'm babbling. My battery's about to die. So I will see you very, very soon. Have a great day. Bye.